1 bag of tortilla chips. I'm gonna spread these out nice and evenly along our baking sheet. I'm gonna show you guys the best way to make your nachos. If you're still making them in the microwave, we have evolved, people. Next, we're coming in with a pound of ground beef. Now, I already browned this up and seasoned it with some taco seasoning, and I'm just gonna dump this all along here, just like that. I'm gonna take my clean hands, and again, I'm just gonna spread it out so that it's nice and evenly all over these nachos, just like that. Next, I'm gonna come in with a can of black beans that I already drained, and again, we're just gonna spread these all along the baking sheet, just like that. Make sure they're nice and evenly spread out. Boom, just like that. Next, I'm gonna come in with some Southwest corn. Now, I like this corn because this has got the peppers in it. So not only does it have the corn, but it's got some sweet little peppers in there. Really adds that extra flavor. Pour that all along the top as well. Next, I'm gonna come in with some pepper jack cheese. I love pepper jack cheese. Adds a little bit of spice. Gonna spread that out nice and evenly right along the top there. And I'm gonna come in with some Fiesta cheese. Now, this is a blend of a bunch of different cheeses. And I'm gonna put this on top too. Make sure this is nice and cheesy. I love cheesy nachos. What about you guys? You guys love cheesy nachos? What about you, babe?
I
like them?
love anything cheesy, especially
right?
nachos.
Cheese it up.
These look
Boom.
so good.
Doesn't that look good? Mm-hmm. Now we're just gonna pop these in the oven at 400 for probably 10 minutes. Make sure that cheese gets nice and melted. And then we're gonna add a few extra things, and then we're gonna dig in. Boom, our nachos are back out of the oven. Ooh. Look at that. The cheese is nice and melted. All right, you ready? And we're gonna come in with some chopped tomato. And I'm just gonna sprinkle this on top. Next, we're gonna come in with half a white onion. I'm just gonna sprinkle these on top too. What are nachos without onions? Come on, this is like supreme nachos right here. Look at that. Look how tasty that looks. Come in with some pickled jalapeno peppers. Adds a little bit of spice. I know some people don't like spice, but you know what? You don't have to add it. You could even throw some salsa on here, some hot sauce if you wanted some extra added spice, but I don't really think it needs it. But just like that. Then we're gonna come in here, gonna pick our favorite chip. Oh yeah, look at this.
That one looks good.
With all the meat, some tomato, jalapeno. Look, I'm gonna add another one just like that. Oh, are you ready? Look at that cheese.
Ooh.
All right, let's scarf, here we go. That's one good nacho. Supreme nachos. We've upgraded from the microwave. Try this out. Let me know if you would add anything. Enjoy.